My taste family, welcome back to Most Taste YouTube channel. Today is not a cooking vlog, it's not a recipe vlog. I'm simply sharing with you a highlight of my day as a food vendor in Cameroon. Okay, so a returning client reached out to me that I should do her fried rice and chicken for her defense people. So this is simply me delivering the order to her house. Went to her house, we had to drop it on the table, and we had to go back to the school where the defense was to take place. You understand? And when we arrived there, she was giving us A grades, and it's giving corn of life. It's giving corn of life. So she's one of Cameroon's finest con vendor, okay? Corn and plum. So they were simply playing here and arranging the table because it was time for item 11. Now,
This is our cook. Wow. The chef.
Hey, chef. Okay.
The chef from Makepe is
Yeah,
giving
don't
its
take
most
this,
taste. Very popular.
I will prefer
the review for the rice was insane. Everybody just loved it. Now see rice though. Then not see me and he do mediocrities. Look how everybody was just dishing and enjoying the rice and everything. So
Even the arrow.
so how's the food, sir?
No, you know.
It's good.
Perfect.
I'm starting with the rice.
It's most taste.
But the rice, hey. Rice and you wet, but dry.
The review was reviewing. Thank you so much for watching. Please do want to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thank you so much.